With the Muse Hobby Laser, no project is too big. Want to laser something that's too tall to fit in the Muse? Just remove the floor and place the laser on our riser attachment. The added clearance allows for larger or thicker materials to be engraved. It also gives you enough room for our rotary attachment, allowing you to engrave tumblers and other cylindrical objects. But the riser doesn't just give you more depth to work with. Our new risers also have a pass-through door to accommodate extra long materials. But let's say your object is too tall and too wide for the riser. Not a problem. Simply place the Muse on any flat surface with the floor removed and engrave directly onto your project. The Muse series from Full Spectrum Laser. Why limit yourself?